In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a sudo user in Ubuntu. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, you can easily create a new user from the terminal by using the adduser command. Provide password of the currently logged in root user. Now set a password for the new user. You can skip the following process by pressing enter each time. And finally, input Y to confirm the above information. I created a new user. Now I will add the user to the sudo group. You can easily do it by using the usermod command. Finally, to verify the sudo access of the newly created user, you have to switch to the new user. Provide the password of the newly created user. Now you can run the whoami command to verify. Provide the password of the newly created user again. Here you can see that the whoami command has returned root as an output, which means that the newly created user is indeed a sudo user. That's all about creating a sudo user in Ubuntu. Thanks.
If you want to read a detailed guide related to this video, I have the link in the video description. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit my website tutsmake.com.